Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to add the context menu inside your Vue.js application. So you have a list of items, we are displaying it if you see, and if I left click it, you will see this context menu will open. Then it will have a series of options right here, we can select here, and there is a specific module in Vue.js which allows you to simply make this context menu. Whenever user clicks on any of the individual items, you can have this context menu right here. So there is a specific module which is there in Vue.js, so we'll be using that module. So the module name is vue-simple-context-menu. So if you just go to npmjs.com, so just search for this module, view simple context menu. So actually this is the name of the module here, uh, and it's compatible with the latest version of Vue, which is Vue 3. So we are using Vue 3. So let me just open my zoom it tool. So just to zoom it on the elements in the web page. So now this is actually the command. I've already installed it. So just install this command using this command, and it's almost got 5,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, we just need to first of all create inside your app.vue file. This is our brand new project. Just go to this file app.vue, and here you need to write the code. So inside our template we will write the HTML code right here, and inside this we will display the series of items. So this can be anything. You can display images as well, but for the sake of this example I'm just looping through an array of items. So for doing that, inside our script we will using the TypeScript right here. So we will first of all import the module. So we'll simply say view simple context menu, and this will be coming from this package which is view simple context menu. So in this way you need to first of all import this package by using the import statement, and then you just need to also import the CSS file of this package as well, view simple context menu. It is located inside the dist folder, and then view simple context menu .css. So we import the CSS file as well alongside with the module, and after this we will have some variables to pass to this template. Export default, the name of the component will be app, then the series of components that we need to pass. So we will simply say we need to pass this component which will be view simple context menu alongside with the data. So what data that you want to pass, so you simply say data, and in this way we can pass data to our template. So we'll have a series of items right here. This is an array of items. So each item will have these two properties, ID and a name. So let's suppose I say item 1, and then we will repeat this process two more times. ID2, name, this will be item 2, then ID3, and name will be item 3. So now we have a series of this is actually our items array. Three objects are there having two properties each, ID and name. So if you want to loop through it, we will simply go to the template right here, and we will just first of all loop through these items. So just we will use this v for loop. V for is a directive in Vue.js. So we say item in this items array, and here we need to just inside double curly brackets we just need to loop through the name of the item. We can even attach the key parameter which will be located inside item.id. So if you just refresh your application, you will see this series of items will be displayed, item 1, item 2, item 3. So when I now click it, no context menu is opened, but now to trigger this we now need to bind an on click listener to this. So whenever we click on any of these individual items, so you'll simply prevent auto submission, and we will bind this on click listener handle click, and we'll pass this event alongside with the item. So you can see we are binding this on click listener, and we are binding this custom function that we would define it. So now we go to the TypeScript code, and after we declare these items, this array, we will have another options array, and this will be the context menu items which will be there. So option 2, option 3. So these are will be the items which will be shown in the context menu. So you can be anything. It can be anything. You can customize it accordingly. Then you can even provide an divider as well, which will be a horizontal line, or which will be there in between the items, and then we'll be having the option 5. So now we have defined the items, and just after this data function, which is, now we need to define the methods right here. So we have binded this method which is handle click. So here we need to pass the event and the item, then first of all this, and then we simply say